Ironically, that includes the southeast and the east, and that's parts of the state that have been the driest so far, but it does not include the Sandias and the Manzanos, so those still remain under those restrictions.
It's the same rule all the time. Be careful out there. Be smart.
Very much so. Very much. We're just starting to get into the season where they have those 1,000-hour, what they call fuels, and that's in the forests, okay? And because of that, the fire season for the forest just kind of really gets going right now. All right, let's go outside and see what's going on right now. 73 degrees, north winds at about 5 miles an hour, and 23% on the relative humidity. As far as what's going on with your temperatures around the rest of the state, and a lot of 70s to the north, and we have some 80s down south. So 80s down in the southeast, 80s down in the southwest as well. Now, the forecast as I see it for the rest of the day, we're going to top out at about 83. We'll cloud up later on this afternoon, and just like yesterday afternoon and evening, just like Saturday, we're going to see some widely scattered showers and storms out and about. So expect that. Those will be accompanied not only with some occasional downpours, but with some very gusty winds. As we go into the late evenings, that'll start to fade on off. They'll die and move 53 to 57 for your overnight lows, and then tomorrow about 86, partly cloudy skies, and just an isolated chance at a shower, thunderstorms. So the trend over the next few days is for less and less action, especially after today. And that's until we get about Friday. This storm system that's spinning out west here, it's big, and it's going to start to move in very slowly as we head towards Friday and into the weekend, early next week, and that's going to rejuvenate those rain chances. But for today, they're going to form mostly along the mountains. As a matter of fact, radar right now lighting up to the north. You can see it developing. A closer look, and you see even from the Four Corners, and as a matter of fact, you still see a little pink and white in the northwest mountains of Colorado. That means there's some high-level snow there falling, wet, chunky snow. And then also some showers and storms around Cuba and Dulce. In Los Alamos, a urban and small stream flood advisory has been issued till 1:30 this afternoon. Just mentioning just a few minutes ago at the top of the show that some of those storms are going to dump a lot of rains very quickly. So again, be very careful, and that goes double for what's going on right now along the front ranges, the front face of the San Luis Cristo Mountains, all the way down towards Taos, and then southeast between, say, Espanola and Mora, and just north of Las Vegas. So just keep that in mind. Now, as far as what's going on with the precipitation cast as we roll through the day, they're going to be mostly and most intense across the northern part of the state. We will see our share later on into the afternoon. Dies down by 10, and then tomorrow we'll see it picking up. But again, mostly widely scattered and mostly by afternoon across the northeast and the north central. Now, there's a front that's going to come down as we go into tomorrow night and into the early part of Wednesday. That's going to usher in some canyon winds. So that last upper level low that right now is across the Four Corners was kind of focusing all these storms where they are today. And then once that front drives on through, that's going to cool things off across the south for Wednesday. For us, we'll have slightly cooler temperatures as well as we go into Tuesday night and Wednesday because of those canyon winds. And then it warms right back up. Here's what I'm talking about. You look at the temperatures, it's kind of back and forth, first lower and then higher as we go through the next few days. For Santa Fe and for Albuquerque, look at us, 83 today, but already near 90 by Thursday. So there's that up and down spin on the temperatures. Rain chances slimming down a bit after today.
And there's that old gusty popping up again.
Yes, it is.
Okay, Mike, thank you.
All right.